Hi everyone, welcome back to Lingoni English. My name is Haley, and today we're tackling a huge topic. The most common grammar mistakes that English learners make, and how to fix them. If you've ever been confused by tenses, articles, or prepositions, you're in the right place. And don't forget, you can practice all these grammar points and more on the Lingoni English app with interactive exercises, worksheets, and podcasts designed to help you improve quickly. Let's dive right in with one of the most common mistakes, mixing up the present perfect and the past simple tenses. Number 1, incorrect. I have seen that movie last week. Correct. I saw that movie last week. Number 2, incorrect. She went to Paris many times. Correct. She has been to Paris many times. Number 3, incorrect. They have finished the project yesterday. Correct. They finished the project yesterday. So, to explain, you use the present perfect when the action is not linked to a specific time, like experiences, and use the past simple for actions that happened at a definite time in the past, often indicated by words like yesterday or last week. Another common mistake is the incorrect use of articles. For instance, many learners forget to use a or the. Number 1, incorrect. He is doctor. Correct. He is a doctor. Or number 2, incorrect. I have an idea for new project. Correct. I have an idea for a new project. Or number 3, incorrect. She went to store. Or the correct, she went to the store. A or an is used for general, singular, countable nouns, like a doctor, while the is used for specific nouns, the store, if it's a particular one the speaker has in mind. Next up, prepositions of time. Learners often confuse in, on, and at. So here we go. Number 1, incorrect. I have a meeting in Monday. Correct. I have a meeting on Monday. Or number 2, incorrect. Let's meet in 5 p.m. Or correct. Let's meet at 5 p.m. Here's number 3, incorrect. She was born on 1990. Correct. She was born in 1990. So we use in for months or years, on for days or dates, and at for specific times. Now, a lot of learners struggle with word order when forming questions. For example, here, incorrect. You are going to the party tonight? The correct version would be, are you going to the party tonight? Or here's number 2, incorrect. She can cook well? Correct. Can she cook well? Or how about number 3, incorrect. You like pizza? Correct. Do you like pizza? This is because in English questions, the auxiliary verb, such as are, do, can, typically comes before the subject. In English, the subject and verbs often switch places in questions. It's important to practice this so that your sentences sound more natural. And finally, Subject-verb agreement is a classic mistake, especially when using singular and plural subjects. Like this. Number 1, incorrect. She don't know the answer. Or correct, she doesn't know the answer. Or number 2, incorrect. My friends likes pizza. Correct. My friends like pizza. Or how about number 3? Here's the incorrect version. The books is on the table. Correct. The books are on the table. Remember, if the subject is singular, the verb has to agree by being singular as well. In conclusion, those are 5 of the most common grammar mistakes English learners make, but there are many more. Do you want to avoid them and get better at English? Check out the Lingoni English app, where you can practice with tailored exercises to help you improve step by step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.